this is Bulletproof warm-up session number 19. To start things off, we're going to do a Russian twist progression. So, round one is simply seated on the ground with legs together in front of you, and you're going to do 30 reps each side going as fast as you can. This is a great one for beginner levels. So you're just simply trying to go side to side to side to side as fast as you can, touching the ground either side of your thigh. Okay. Next, we're going to do some ring archer variations. Okay. So you're going to do a ring archer push-up. Now, an archer is where you go to push up, and then at the bottom of the rep, you slide one hand out to the side and bring it back. Right, so you can see here, go down to the bottom, slide one ring out, bring it back, come back, slide one ring out, bring it back. Now, obviously, if that angle is too acute, just raise the level of the rings up and have them do the movement at less of an angle, just like you would for a regular box push-up. Okay? 6 reps each side there. Next, we're going to do some good old-fashioned crunches. So you'll do a crunch, which is bringing your torso to your legs. Then you're going to do a reverse crunch, which is bringing your knees to your chest. Then you're going to do a side crunch, which is on the side, sort of doing a 45-degree side angle. Okay. Bringing that top leg over to the side helps to balance at the right level, but right angle. All right, so 10 reps in each position. All right. The animal today is the frog. So, base level for this is have them start in this crouching position, go onto their hands, and see if they can kick their feet out. So you're almost sort of putting weight onto your hands, doing the smallest little handstand that you possibly can, and that's it. So just have them go forwards for that frog movement. Next progression of the Russian twist is you're going to have your knees and legs off the ground, and you're still trying to do 30 reps by touching the ground either side of your torso as fast as you can. The goal here is speed. Next to the ring archer variations is a ring archer row. Same concept as before. I row the rings to my chest, I bring one arm out and slide it back in. Okay, 6 reps each arm. If you need to increase the angle to make sure that you can get the full range of motion, then do so. Right? So this should be accessible to every single person because you can go all the way from supine to standing up. So you find wherever the athlete is at and have them do that level. All right, do the same as before. You'll do the crunch. So you can notice my knees are pointing to the sky, crunch my chest up, then I have my back flat on the ground, crunch my knees towards my chest. Then I go onto the side crunch. I'm doing 10 reps of each of these. Moving back to the frog movement. This time, we're simply increasing the difficulty of the handstand. So I jump onto my hands and I sort of curl my legs back in as after I shoot them out. So I go onto my hands, shoot my legs out, curl them back in, and the goal of this is to have more weight on your hand. So it's essentially almost like a dynamic handstand exercise. Now, we're going to do the Russian twist with the med ball. Same thing as before, legs are off the ground. And now I'm bringing the med ball touching the ground either side. 30 reps each side there. Right, last variation of the ring archer is the ring archer pull-up. So, start from hanging position, come up to pull-up, one arm out to the side and back. I held that for not very long. Out to the side and back. Now, if people can't do this, that's fine. Have them go back to the ring row and have them focus on the ring row. But if people can do a pull-up, then go for it. So, crunch, reverse crunch, side crunch, 10 reps each position. And remember, with all of these different progressions and variations, if people aren't able to do a movement, that's fine. Either scale it back or have them do the previous level or previous movement, that's fine. Right, last iteration of the frog. Now we're trying to speed up and add difficulty. So now I'm going a bit faster, legs out to the side, and that's it.